The CC for XRP Ripple is going down everywhere. This really is a change. Let us do it one step at a time. The XRP CEO's comments shock everyone in the room. A lot of people think this could make XRP Ripple worth $10,000. This is the most important movie ever made about XRP Ripple. You can't put the money forward and miss it. Let's skip the rest of the talk and get right to the point. Disclaimer: Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, has been at the front of the biggest legal battles in the cryptocurrency business. And his thoughts on the problems XRP had with the Securities and Exchange Commission give us important new information about the current regulatory drama. Garlinghouse said at DC FinTech Week on October 24th that he felt bad about Ripple's early approach and that the company's problems today are partly due to their failure to connect with us regulators more proactively. I look back at that again and I feel bad about it. I think we made a mistake when we said no longer leaning in advance, and we want to make up for lost time by a few degrees, Garlinghouse accepted, which showed a change in Ripple's method, although the organization was at first hesitant to talk to officials. As the case has gone on, Garlinghouse has had to make many more trips to Washington, D.C. in recent years. Ripple is fighting with the SEC over whether or not XRP should be labeled as a security. This is because the SEC's crypto law isn't clear. A small win came in July when Judge Annalisa Torres said that Ripple's sales of XRP to regular people did not break any securities laws. But institutional income was seen as breaking the rules about stocks, which led to a preliminary $1.95 billion fine, later cut down to $125 million. The ruling by Garlinghouse is seen as a major win for Ripple and the crypto business as a whole. The CCC's support for this choice is wrong and annoying. He said this while being angry that the panel kept dragging out the case. The United States is behind for reasons that don't make sense. In the end, I think it all comes down to false information about this problem. Garlinghouse stressed that people like CC Chairman Gary Gensler should take a lot of the credit. Gensler was charged by Garlinghouse of being too hostile to the crypto business, spreading false information, and making it more uncertain for crypto innovators. A lot of people in the crypto world agree with this, especially after Gensler's SEC. The SEC filed a criminal complaint against Ripple, which made the company see it as an example of regulation overreach. One tweet from Trust Echo brought attention to Garlinghouse's brave words. Gary Gensler's reign of terror on the SEC is nearly over. This feeling shows how frustrated people in the crypto community are getting as they wait for clear rules from regulators. Garlinghouse's comments also show a growing hope that Gensler's time as CEO is likely coming to an end. It's possible that the US would finally take a more fair approach to regulating cryptocurrencies. And trust me, things are going to get really exciting for XRP Ripple in the future. Analysts in the crypto space are lighting up social media with bold statements, and I can tell you right now that what's coming next will change everything. You will not want to miss this chance because if their prediction comes true, the price of XRP could go up a lot. You might only get this chance once in your life to be there before the rocket takes off. The excitement around XRP is reaching new heights thanks to big forecasts and comparisons to other market giants. One tweet from Jack the Ripper that said that was an amazing 100 times XRP candle got people's attention. If you want to keep your XRP until $50 or more, leave a like. A lot of people in the XRP network agree with this, including the brave XRP captain who said the XRP $10,000 endgame was real. These kinds of comments have made people very excited about what the next big wave for Ripple's local token could be. During the 2020 and 2021 bull runs, XRP did not rise like other cryptocurrencies. This made many people wonder why it did not. For example, Binance Coin went from $12.50 in March 2020 to an amazing $638 in April 2020, a huge rise of 9,813%. What if XRP could have a rise like this? XRP does have the power to do it. This is a much stronger time for Ripple than it was during the last bull run because the criminal threats from the SEC case are mostly behind it. As many as 53 people think that XRP could reach as high as $53 if it follows a similar path to Bitcoin's meteoric rise. Let us break that down. In March 2024, XRP was worth about 53 cents. And if it continues to rise by 9,813%, like BNB, it could set a new record high. The XRP captain's tweet that XRP could print the biggest untrained candle in history shows that more and more people in the community think the token is about to go through a huge surge. This kind of hope isn't always wrong. The fact that XRP won in prison, has more uses, and is becoming more popular in institutions all say that the token has more room to grow. To give you an idea of how big this possibility is, let's say XRP hit $53. If that happened, a $1,000 investment would have grown to almost $97,000. That's the kind of chance to make a lot of money that buyers dream about. But in terms of direction, those options are still just ideas. To get XRP to $53, its market value might have to reach $5.3 trillion, which is a big number since the total value of all cryptocurrencies has not yet reached $3 trillion. But XRP has already gotten past a lot of problems, and its parent company, Ripple, continues to gain support from banks around the world. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, has said many times that Ripple is solving real-world problems in cross-border payments, which will be good for PowerCore for XRP in the long run. And while we're talking about what XRP and Ripple can do, you won't like the new relationships and trends that are on the way. These steps are making way for something big, something that could really blow your mind. Some experts are even saying that XRP could go up by as much as 60,000%. Could this be the moment people who own XRP have been waiting for? Let's start breaking it down grade by grade. Recent changes in XRP Ripple, especially its combination with new global economic systems, could send its price through the roof. Some people think that XRP's value will go through the roof, since partnerships and area integrations are already happening. Could $10,000 be reached for XRP? Let's look at how. A tweet from Jack the Rippler said that XRP's ability to work with the BRICS nations price gadget is one of the best things about excitement. The BRICS Business Forum has shown that BRICS works as it should. BRICS is real, and it's ready to use blockchain technology. It is already possible to use XRP in BRICS nations. This is big. BRICS, which includes Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, make up a big part of the economic system in this field. Adding XRP to their payment systems isn't just about speed and price performance. It means the power to change course and move towards an international financial machine that could depend heavily on blockchain, which gives XRP a key role. When we talk about XRP's price reaching $10,000, these relationships and real-world use cases are what should create such a big jump. XRP has always been a favorite for large-scale money projects because it can offer instant pass-border bills with low prices. Now that corporations can use platforms like BRICS, XRP should become much more useful and in high demand. The fact that XRP works with R3's core-to-settler and Swift GPI systems, which are used by banks all over the world, is another important factor in its growth. A tech expert named Smoke talked about how XRP was chosen as the first settlement asset for core-to-settler, an open-source app that makes price duties easier on the core to blockchain. This connection to Swift, which is the main technology behind global banking, gives XRP direct access to the $5 trillion market for daily bills around the world.